Okay, next we're gonna do is the apple. Let's see. Try that again. So apple didn't stop the apple didn't stop the motor. So this off. Now we're going to try is a peach. Then that's. I'm just going to say this is best thing I've done on my YouTube channel. So we can see here, the peach didn't do it, so up to the mango now. My thoughts are 50-50. Eleven stopped the motorbike tyre. See that? The lemon stopped it, and that was for all the subscribers who viewed my video and put likes, maybe no comments. Didn't bother me. Thank you guys for this. Thanks to everybody who subscribed to Josh and YouTube channel.